In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Shopify plan, guiding you step by step through the entire process. Whether you're setting up your first online store or simply upgrading to a new plan, this guide will help you navigate the steps with ease. First, you'll need to begin by heading over to your Shopify admin dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so using your credentials. Once you're at the Shopify admin homepage, you're on your way to making your e-commerce store official with a plan that suits your needs. Next, you're going to want to direct your attention to the bottom corner of the dashboard. Here you'll find the settings button. Click on it. This is an essential step because the control panel within the settings will provide access to various options needed to manage your store efficiently. Now, once inside the settings menu, look for an option labeled Plan. Click on it and this will take you to the section of Shopify where you can view all current information regarding your store's subscription. You're almost halfway there to securing that perfect plan for your growing business. Moving on, you'll observe a button labeled Choose Plan. Clicking this will open a menu where all the available Shopify plans will be at your fingertips. It's important here to consider carefully what each plan offers. Whether you're a small business just starting out or a larger, more established entity, picking the right Shopify plan is essential to meeting your business goals. Each plan offers different features, benefits, and price points, so weigh them according to your specific requirements. And finally, you'll be at the stage to make a selection. Once you decide which plan is best for you, simply click on it and follow the prompts to finalize your subscription. Shopify will guide you through payment information and any other necessary details to activate your chosen plan. Remember, this process will set up the foundation for your online store's operation, so it's important to double check everything to ensure that all information is correct. Take a moment to review your choice and ensure there are no discrepancies before you finalize the purchase. And there you have it, folks. Simple, straightforward steps to buying a Shopify plan. Following these steps, you'll be able to seamlessly navigate Shopify's system and focus more on what you do best, growing and managing your online business. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful Shopify tips and guides. Thank you for watching.